Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to change currency on your eToro application using your mobile device. So in order to change your currency setting on eToro, open up the eToro application and sign into your account. Upon signing into your account, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner from the main home screen. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on General. Scroll down from the General page and get to Display Currency drop-down. Simply tap on the drop-down right under Display Currency and choose a different currency setting for your eToro account. Tap on the currency option you want to change to, and once you get back to the home screen, you will be able to change your currency on your eToro app. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.